guys, so actually it's very interesting to discuss the market situations, but let's look at the very interesting and promising project for the next bull run. And the price is very good to enter this market already now. So here's the Avalanche, and I think that it's gonna surprise you. Let's go. In this video you will learn what is Avalanche and why it's different from other networks, who runs the project and what partners does it already have, how Avalanche survived 2022 and is it really interesting to us users, and finally what will happen to its price and is it worth buying this.
Avalanche is a first-level decentralized platform that will allow you to create decentralized applications and multifunctional blockchains. It was launched on September 21 in 2020. The Avalanche Network consists of 3 separate blockchains: X-Chain, C-Chain, and P-Chain. Well, let's discuss this. Platform chain, or P-Chain, stores metadata, coordinates validators, and monitors subnets. Contract chain, or C-Chain, enables to create Ethereum-compatible smart contracts. And the Exchange chain, or X-Chain, provides tools for exchanging data between subnets as well as creating interchangeable tokens and NFT. Each chain has a separate purpose, which is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum systems, where all nodes are engaged in verifying transactions. This separation ensures a higher throughput of Avalanche without compromising decentralization. Any Avalanche user can create a subnet, and to do this they need to pay a commission of 0.01 Avax. All Avalanche nodes must verify transactions in the main network and optionally in other subnets. This year, the interesting project Dexalot has been launched in the Avalanche subnet. The Dexalot subnet aims to reproduce the user experience of a centralized exchange without compromising decentralization and transparency. Since the subnets are connected to the common Avalanche system, each subnet contributes to the consensus and security of Avalanche in general. Each subnet operates as an independent blockchain with its own design and economic rules for the value accumulation. Subnets develop their own ecosystems and connect to the ecosystems of other subnets, and as well, they require detailed reporting. Avalanche is a unique network thanks to the Avalanche consensus, which is kind of proof-of-stake protocol. The protocol provides scaling so the system can process more than 4,500 transactions per second. On April 7, 2023, it launched Evergreen Subnets, a new solution for their subnetworks. Avalanche has a well-developed and popular ecosystem. Let's talk about the 2 largest DEX by volume. These are Trader Joe and Pangolin. In addition to swaps and provided liquidity, both platforms offer yield farming, staking, as well as limit orders and trading with leverage. Pangolin offers leverage trading through integration with Margin Swap and Wow Swap, and Trader Joe does it through its own Banker Joe lending protocol. Trader Joe also has its own startup, Rocket Joe, and an NFT trading platform, JoePags. The GMX project is also interesting. It is the first decentralized perpetual exchange for Avalanche. While derivative DEX as a whole are experiencing some problems, GMX has become the category leader thanks to its unique approach to zero-slippage swaps.
Let's talk about project Tokenomics. Well, you can see the current price on the screen. Maximum price is $112. The maximum number of tokens is 720 million ones. There are currently over 420 million tokens on the market, and when a user uses Avax to pay for services on the network, tokens are burned.
Let's talk about the distribution of tokens. 2.5% is for seed sale. The price of one token was $0.33 with a 1-year distribution schedule. Held in February 2019, earned $5.94 million. 3.5% is for private sale. The price of one token was 0.5% with an annual distribution schedule. It was held in June 2020. It earned $12.6 million. The public auction was held in July 2020. It earned $37.5 million. Let's look next. 9.26% is allocated to the fund released within 10 years. 7% is the target capital of the community released within 12 months. These tokens are allocated to individuals and groups that develop the main tools and infrastructure of Avalanche. 0.27% is for a program to encourage users of the test network, all released within 1 year. Participants could complete tasks to earn up to 2,000 Avax. 5% is for strategic partners. It is within 4 years. 2.5% for airdrops within 4 years. 10% allocated to the team and 50% rewards for staking. It is also worth noting the second annual event for the Avax community called Avalanche Summit 2. It was held in Spain from 3rd to 5th May. Avalanche has a huge number of partners in any field of activity. For example, its sports, or the Turkish electric car manufacturer Togg has chosen Avalanche for a smart contract for mobile devices. And the project has another giant partners, for example Shopify or Alibaba. Alibaba Cloud and Avalanche recently announced a collaboration to design metaverses on the blockchain. Well, let's pay attention to the investors of this project. There was a private sale of Avax tokens costing $230 million. They were purchased by some well-known crypto funds like Polychain or notorious Three Arrows Capital. The project survived 2022 quite well in comparison with another crypto market, and this is reported by the Mercer for the 4th quarter of 2022. From this document, I found out that FTX crash had minimal impact on the Avax ecosystem as they had a little interaction with it. The growth of average daily transactions in the year ended up with about 3 million transactions per day, and in the next month, many subnets will begin to switch to the Avalanche mainnet, and it may indicate an increase in the set of validators and the demand for network security. As for validators, each subnet must connect at least 3 or all validators per chain. These validators can work in different subnets or be unique to a single one. If 100 subnets are launched in 2023, this will cause demand for 800 validators or $17 million for security. The Avalanche was created by Avalanche. Its co-founders participated in the development of the protocol in the blockchain project that was used in Facebook, Libra. In general, the team has very big experience working with blockchain, and they strive to create a huge trading market with various assets. On their website, you can find reviews of famous people about this project.
To summarize this, well, this project is actively developing not only in Web 3 but also in Web 2 worlds. The partnership at the highest level, collaboration with very big and well-known companies. It has the stable commission, the growing set of validators, and it shows that this project really improves very much and it's moving towards a more decentralized state. However, I recommend you to rely on your technical and fundamental analysis and to analyze this project yourself. Maybe you will like this and you will enter this market. As for me, I'm gonna watch the situation and analyze how the price is gonna develop. If you like this project, let me know in the comments under this video. As for me, I think that it's very promising thing because really it has some features that are really different from other networks, and it is really something valuable. It has big potential, and I guess that this project will prove all these ambitions. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also check the link in the description under this video. There I have my own Telegram membership. There I have the traders as you and me, and there we interact and get the trading signals. Thanks to them we open profitable trades and get the money on our wallets. If you want to have the same big amount of money, well, do not hesitate and subscribe to my Telegram chat. And I wish you all the best, good luck, cool mind, and I see you in the next video.